In this video I'm going to show you how to replace the membrane in your controller. After powering off your machine, you will see that you have these two bolts here holding in the control panel. Loosen those and remove the control panel. Once they are loose, you can just unhook them. These little brackets can just get unhooked like that. You power off your machine. So push the control panel up and out and disconnect the HMI cable. Next, turn over the controller and using a screwdriver, unscrew the back panel. You're looking for this little connector here, so we're going to just loosen that connector and just tease it out. Okay. So once you've got that, it'll just slide out. What you want to do is you want to carefully get in underneath the top layer. There's two layers here, so you want to make sure you get both. You want to take the coloured layer as well as the layer with the patterns and carefully pull this off. Now you want to make sure that you have disconnected that ribbon cable first, because you don't want to yank that out of the board, and then you can completely peel the old panel off, okay, and discard that. Now we have our new panel. What we want to do is carefully peel off the adhesive. So just start it by lining it up on one edge, okay, then get the ribbon cable and feed that through the little gap. Make sure you pull it all the way through and that it doesn't get damaged. So you want to have it so that the ribbon is exiting and not bent over at the right spot, and then carefully just finish that off, getting it all in alignment with the top panel. Yep. Okay, so now once the new panel has been stuck down, you can turn it back over, feed this cable down and under and through there. Then reattach the ribbon cable and secure it in place. Now you can pop that back into your machine, reconnect the HMI cable, secure it in place and do some testing. Now I hope that's helped. Until next time, take care. Cheers.